How to use LinkedIn hashtag analytics to boost your content. Are you using LinkedIn hashtags but not seeing the results you want? Today, we're diving into LinkedIn hashtag analytics, the ultimate tool for refining your strategy and expanding your reach. Let's get started. What are LinkedIn hashtag analytics? LinkedIn hashtag analytics give you insights into how your hashtags are performing. They help you understand how many people see your posts through specific hashtags, which hashtags generate the most engagement, the traction your content gets with different hashtags. By leveraging this data, you can connect with the right audience, increase visibility, and fine-tune your content strategy. Why tracking LinkedIn hashtag analytics matters. LinkedIn is a goldmine for professionals and brands, with 40% of users engaging with content weekly. Adding hashtags strategically can amplify your content, but tracking their performance is crucial. Here's why. Identify the best hashtags for your brand. Not all hashtags are created equal. Analytics reveal which ones resonate most with your audience and drive meaningful engagement. Find hashtags that complement your brand. While broad hashtags like Troy Marketing may have millions of followers, niche hashtags like small business often perform better by targeting a specific audience. Track sentiment around hashtags. Analytics don't just show engagement, they also highlight sentiment. Are your hashtags sparking positive reactions? If not, it might be time to adjust your strategy. Monitor competitor trends. Studying competitor hashtags offers valuable insights. If certain hashtags work for them, you can adapt similar ones to stay competitive. How to generate LinkedIn hashtag analytics. Let's explore 3 easy ways to gather LinkedIn hashtag analytics. Native LinkedIn analytics. LinkedIn provides follower counts for hashtags. Create a short list of hashtags with high relevance and test them. LinkedIn hashtag analytics extensions. Tools like Engage AI offer follower growth insights, maximum likes, and the total reach of posts using specific hashtags. Simply install the Chrome extension and access analytics directly in your browser. Third-party social media management tools, platforms like Sprout Social, offer advanced hashtag analytics, enabling you to compare impressions, clicks, and engagement across multiple hashtags. Example, a virtual event company might compare hashtag eventprofs and hashtag eventtech to see which drives better engagement, refining their strategy accordingly. How to use LinkedIn hashtag analytics for maximum impact. Once you've gathered your data, it's time to put it into action. Here's how to optimize your content strategy using hashtag analytics. Focus on niche. Hashtags. Broad hashtags are tempting, but niche hashtags often deliver better results. For example, the hashtag digital marketing tips might outperform the overly generic the hashtag marketing. Experiment and iterate. Test different hashtags to find what resonates most with your audience. Regularly review analytics and refine your approach based on performance. Amplify high-performing content. When specific hashtags drive strong engagement, continue using them in future posts. Consistency builds audience familiarity and trust. Monitor competitors. Keep tabs on competitors' hashtag strategies. Identify trends that work for them and adapt these to your content while maintaining your unique brand voice. Benefits of LinkedIn. Hashtag analytics. Using LinkedIn hashtag analytics delivers multiple benefits, including increased reach. Connect with a larger audience by targeting relevant hashtags. Improved engagement. Focus on hashtags that spark meaningful interactions. Better targeting. Tailor your content to niche audiences for higher quality connections. Pro tip, combine analytics with content planning. Integrate hashtag analytics into your content planning. Match high-performing hashtags with upcoming posts to maximize their impact and streamline your workflow. Final thoughts: the power of LinkedIn hashtag analytics. Standing out on LinkedIn takes more than just posting. It requires a data-driven approach. LinkedIn hashtag analytics empower you to refine your strategy, increase visibility, and build stronger connections with your audience. Ready to take your LinkedIn strategy to the next level? Start leveraging hashtag analytics today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Online Marketing Academy for more expert tips. See you in the next video.